Welcome back to the Mastering Algorithms and Data Structures in PHP series. In today's lesson, we'll be diving into three classic sorting algorithms: bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. These sorting algorithms are fundamental, and learning how to implement them will help you understand more advanced sorting techniques down the road. Sorting algorithms are methods that rearrange elements in a list into a specific order, typically ascending or descending. Sorting is a core problem in computer science, and many applications depend on efficient sorting to handle data. Let's start with bubble sort. Bubble sort works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order, and it continues to iterate through the list until no more swaps are needed. It's called bubble sort because elements bubble up to their correct position. In this example, we repeatedly compare each pair of adjacent elements and swap them if necessary. After each full pass, the largest unsorted element is moved to its correct position. Next, we have insertion sort. Insertion sort builds a sorted array one item at a time by comparing each new element with those that are already sorted and inserting it into its proper position. This algorithm is often used when the list is small or nearly sorted. In this example, each element is compared with the sorted portion of the array, and it is inserted into the correct position. This approach is quite intuitive, similar to how you might sort playing cards in your hand. Finally, let's look at selection sort. Selection sort divides the array into a sorted and an unsorted section. It works by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest element from the unsorted part and swapping it with the first unsorted element. Selection sort finds the minimum value in each pass through the unsorted portion of the array and swaps it with the first unsorted element. It's easy to understand but can be less efficient on large lists. Here's a quick comparison of the three sorting algorithms we just implemented. All three algorithms have O(n)(2) time complexity on average, which means they are not suitable for sorting large datasets. However, they are still useful for small lists or as an introduction to sorting. To summarize, we covered bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. While these sorting algorithms are not the most efficient for large datasets, they provide a fundamental understanding of sorting concepts. Understanding these simple algorithms helps in building a strong foundation for learning more advanced sorting techniques like merge sort or quick sort. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll explore more advanced sorting algorithms and dive deeper into optimizing our code. Make sure to check out the complete code on GitHub, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.